We spent 21 days in India traveling to 10 different cities by car, plane, train, boat, and rickshaw. India is a most amazing place for sights, sounds, fascinating religious ceremonies, and wildlife safaris. Highlights included visiting the Taj Mahal, tiger safaris in 2 national parks, the Sikh Golden Temple, the Beatles Ashram, the sacred Ganges River, and I can't leave off the yummy food. We also enjoyed shopping and people watching in Delhi's Old Market and various markets in other cities. We were treated royally by our guides and drivers in each city. The people we met were kind and welcoming. Enjoy each episode. We're on our way from Jaipur to Ranthambore, where we'll do an Indian safari looking for tigers. Wife.
Hello.
Different climate. Every safari different guide and different climate. Everybody, let's go find a tiger.
Let's find the tiger.
We're like 3 minutes into the park and haven't seen a tiger sighting yet, even though it's Wendy's birthday today. We're entering zone 2. Here's the Ranthambore Fort.
How old is the fort?
The 9th century.
Oh,
Wow.
9th century.
Hey, does that crocodile have its mouth open?
Yes.
Where?
It's
Right in front.
yeah. There's a mouth open.
The somber deer warning sound is a valid alarm code.
Oh.
Hey, Paul, what do you have here?
Bird poop.
Wait, Paul, look at me.
Okay, I want to wipe it off, guys.
3 times on our trip so far. They've targeted Paul. Here's our tiger safari jeep. Oh, that's cool.
Oh goodness, he's right at us.
Did you just have a mud bath?
Yes, mud bath.
We heard the warning sound of a bird
Somebody might have
and
spotted
a deer. So we're backing up to see.
Continue warning sound is spotted deer.
Yeah.
The good possibility.
Yeah. There were numerous warning sounds from the animals that tiger had been spotted, but we waited a while and unfortunately we weren't able to see it. Here we are exiting the park after our first tiger safari here in India. So it's about 6:15 a.m. and we're on our second tiger safari. We've just entered zone 3 of Ranthambore National Park. This is where people recommend you go for the most tiger sightings.
Yeah.
Just keep waiting.
Oh,
Here's some
wow.
tiger tracks we see.
From this, that one.
There's a big
This
one
one.
there.
ये कौन सी जीप पे बैठी है जनाब के?
Tree pie,
हाँ, रूफस ट्री पाई.
a small bird, little ring flower.
So cool looking
यार,
too.
साल-
Birds
साल भर से गीत
reflection
गा रहा
in
हूँ
the
यार।
water.
ऐसे कैसे बचा
They're
रहा तू यार?
pecking. Looks like they're pecking themselves.
अभी याद दिला.
A tiger has been spotted.
This way.
Come on, hold on. Watch your head.
Dip down.
Stop, 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 stop.
Go forward.
Go for
ये क्या कर रहे हो?
Okay, hang on. It's right behind that truck.
At the road, the edge of the road. Oh, there's 4 of them. There it is. There it is. This great experience.
Paul, what about the tigers? I'm relieved that you saw them. Precious.
I'm so jazzed. It's like spiritual almost seeing them. I loved it. Bigger than life.
It was so amazing, so amazing. We're back after our second safari from Zone 3 where we saw tigers.
So they called. It's time for our afternoon safari. The Jeep is waiting for us. We saw tigers this morning. Maybe we'll see some this afternoon too. Let's go.
Let's go get them.
Cello. That means let's go.
We're going on the third and final safari here in Ranthambore National Park. This time we're going to zone number 4. Here we are at the entranceway to zone 4. We've got to wait another 20 minutes till 2:30 when we're able to access it. Yes, it's you. You did it. I've got it on film. Racing back to the exit at the end of a safari ride. We have a flat tire.
We're easy through. Can remember yourself. I'm ready to grab you.
That's bad.
It's a big hole.
So amazing.
This is awesome.
We had a flat tire, so it took time for us to leave. And because we were late, we actually spotted a tiger on the way out. There.